Guys, again in this video we're gonna talk about angle bisectors of a triangle. I'm gonna solve two examples. One of them is straightforward and another one is slightly challenging. Okay, so you might need to take your time on the second example, rewatch it a couple of times to make sure that it makes a complete sense to you. Okay, angle bisector. Imagine the condition here. Imagine this beautiful triangle right here. Okay, it asks us find PT. Let's legitimately just show that where is PT. P is here and T is right there. So you highlight it. Let's highlight it with red actually, since it's already with red. Okay, you highlight it, double highlight to make sure. Okay, you have this as given and you are looking for PU. You have this and you're looking for a line PU. Okay, first of all, you have no idea what theorem is this. Okay, imagine this guy is not given. Of course, I'm not going to give you guys an exam that, hey, use angle bisector to solve this. You have no idea. You have to determine. You have to determine, like, how do you know that you're going to use this beautiful theorem? Okay, how would you know that? Basically, legitimately, the prompt would tell you that these blue lines are bisecting the angles. For example, I would tell you that DP is bisecting vertex D. Means this angle is equal that, right? Or I would just show you this thing. This angle is equal that angle. What does it mean if these two angles are, if these two angles are congruent? What does it mean? It means FP is the bisector of the vertex P or angle P. Angle F. In this case, EP is bisecting E. This angle is equal to that angle. Okay? So since you have the bisector of these three vertex, it means you have to use angle bisector. So what angle bisector theorem says? Angle bisector theorem says if you draw the bisect of the three vertex of a triangle, they would definitely meet in some point. Here, we call this point in this case P. So if we draw a perpendicular line from the point P to any side of the triangle, these three lengths are equal. Is that simple? So if PT is 3, PU is 3, PS is 3. That's simple. So the answer of this problem is 3. Why? Because it came from the angle bisector. Done. Good? Okay. Now I hope this simple problem makes you ready for the next example. Let's do that. Let's bring the next example up. Oops. Just for a second, I have too many files open. There you go. Now we're gonna do this example. I'm gonna make it big so you guys can see that what's happening exactly. Okay. In this problem, it's saying that PT is 5. So like always, you're gonna highlight it. Where is PT? PT is 5. Let's highlight it, like double highlight it with red. We have this guy. This guy is 5. Okay. So that's really good to know that this guy is 5. This is given. So I'm gonna just literally write it here. That this guy is 5. Okay. So this guy is 5. Okay, good. FP is 7. FP, okay. FP, we have this guy, FP. Okay, good. This guy is 7. Okay, oops, I wanted to choose blue. Perfectionism. Okay, this guy is 7. Okay, good for him. Now what we are looking for is, wow, we are looking for TF. You're looking for this. Very interesting. So we know that this guy is 5, TP is 5, FP is 7. We are looking for FT. Okay. I'm gonna draw this triangle, right? Actually, it might be big enough. Maybe we can work on that here. Okay, let's look at this triangle. Check it out, this triangle. Let's see what we know about this triangle. We know one side and we know the other side of the triangle, and we are looking for a third side, which is this. We are looking for this guy. We are looking for this side. Okay, see, you have two sides of the triangle and you have one more piece of information. Look at here. This guy here is 90 degree, right? So it means this guy also is 90 degree because this is a line. The whole angle is 180. So if this is 90, the other side has to be 90. Guys, in your life, anytime you see a 90 degree, you see a 90 degree, I'm going to write it here, 90 degree, you said, is equal to a right triangle, right? Right triangle. What is super duper famous in a right triangle? Pythagorean theorem. Okay, I really don't know how to spell this. I'm just gonna write Pythagorean. I don't know, something like that. Oh, there you go. Pythagorean theorem. So 90-degree angle should remind you of a right triangle. It should remind you of Pythagorean theorem. Okay, awesome. So triangle PF, what is it? PFT is a right triangle. You have two sides of it. You're looking for a third side. All you're gonna do is you're gonna apply Pythagorean theorem. So what Pythagorean theorem says? Pythagorean theorem is saying that a hypotenuse to the 2 is equal one side to the 2 plus the other side to the 2. Okay, what's the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is across the 90 degree. What angle is across the, what side is across the 90 degrees? 7. So you're going to write 7 to the power of 2 is equal. So hypotenuse by itself to the power of 2 is equal one side to the 2. Let's call this side x is equal x to the 2 plus the other side to the 2, which is 5 to the 2. Now, what is 7 to the 2? I have no idea. I'm going to use a calculator. 7 times 7 is equal 49. Okay, I'm going to write the rest with, actually, let's keep this consistency. So I'm just going to write it with blue. 40, it's fine. Let's use the same color. 49 is equal x squared plus, what is 5 to the 2? 25. Awesome. Now we are looking for x by itself, right? We are looking for x by itself. What is bothering us? This 2 and this 25. So let's subtract 25 from both sides for now. Awesome. We're gonna make a beautiful line right here. That's an arrow actually. Let's make a beautiful line right here. 49 minus 25. Let's do that here. 49 minus 25. It would give you 24. Let's write it down. So this is 24. Of course, 25 and 25 cancel each other out. It would be equal to x squared. Okay, now we are looking for x. So x squared is equal 24. In order to find x, we have to get rid, awesome, square root of both sides. Good? Let's take a square root of both sides. Okay, the square root of 24. Calculator, you're gonna write it down. 24, and you just simply hit this one, square root. 4.89. So x is equal, so write it down, 4.9. Oops, what was that number? I forgot. 4.89. Done. X is equal 4.89. Guys, make sure that you watch this video a couple of times. Ask me any question that you have until it makes a complete sense to you, okay? To be honest with you, if you ask me to explain it, I would exactly explain the same way that I just explained it here. So make sure that rewatch the video a couple of times and ask me a specific question. Good luck.